What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure. Yeah, the next one. I know you guys are antsy.
Well, where is it?
It's up there. See it up there with the lights coming? It's up there. You see it? Well, that light's moving.
That's our train. That's our train, Dad?
Yeah, it's coming back right now.
Oh, the train!
Tiny houses down there?
And tiny trees.
Like a tiny village, huh?
But there's no people. Why is there no people, Dad?
Because it's tiny. So you think there should be tiny people?
Huh?
You think there should be tiny people? There's Aladdin's castle. Remember we watched the movie Aladdin? There's this castle right here. Right here, look. That's Aladdin's castle.
Oh, yeah.
We are approaching the station. Please stay seated in your seats. The crazy comes to make Now, as they say to the animals, that's the end of the ride.
Did it. What do you think? Thank you.
Fantasyland
But I
station.
wanted the cage.
You wanted the monkey cage?
Uh-huh.
Next time we can get it.
remember to watch your
Yes, sir.
children too. Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
We're monkeys in a cage.
Now, Casey, let's get this show on the road. Track.
Say,
All aboard! All aboard!
he's so tired. He's like,
Yes. Why are you keeping this baby up till midnight every night?
Hi. This is big. Get out.
You want to get out?
Let's go.
I don't know if I've ever been on this.
Casey Jr.'s coming down
it's from Dumbo. Case.
with the smoky side. They're popping, coming round the hill.
Sit on this side, Eddie.
Every jack and jill. Every time it's funny little whistle sound. Everybody hurries to the circus grounds. Time for lemonade and cracker jack. Casey Jr.'s back. Casey Jr.'s back. Every time it's funny little whistle sounds. Everybody hurries to the circus grounds. Time for lemonade and cracker jack. Casey Jr.'s back. Casey Jr.'s
They like monkeys.